Can you believe that faceless channels like these are making anywhere from $300 to $5,000 per YouTube video without revealing their identity? It's an intriguing phenomenon in the realm of children's educational animation channels, where views have skyrocketed into the millions. The simplicity of achieving such massive views and substantial earnings through AI-generated animation videos is truly mind-blowing. Take, for instance, this particular kids channel reaping substantial earnings. Its videos garner enormous views, with the most popular ones hitting an impressive 98 million. What's noteworthy is that these videos demand minimal production complexity. According to Social Blade, this channel's estimated monthly income ranges from $5,000 to $80,000, accumulating an astonishing annual income of $60,000 to $960,000. Now, that's undeniably mind-blowing. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the simplest and quickest method to craft captivating kids' animated cartoon videos using the power of AI, setting the stage for you to start earning on YouTube. Make sure you stay tuned until the very end because I've prepared a special treat for you. I'll unveil incredibly valuable tips for YouTube growth that you won't want to miss. Trust me, it's worth the ride. The first step is to generate a script for our animation. We'll utilize the amazing ChatGPT tool to create a script that is engaging and tailored to a wide audience, using simple language that kids can understand. So, let's kick things off by asking ChatGPT to give me a couple of simple video ideas for a kid's educational animation channel. If you already have specific topics in mind, feel free to skip this step. Otherwise, browse through the suggestions and choose any. In this case, I'll opt for the second option, Alphabet Adventure. Next, ask ChatGPT again to write a short script for an educational YouTube video. Add the selected suggested story idea. In this case, I requested an educational video that will take kids on an animated journey through the alphabet, introducing each letter with a unique and entertaining storyline. To finish up, I added the target audience, which is kids in this case. That's how simple it is to use this prompt. I will drop it below this video. Feel free to customize it however you want to get better results. Hit enter, and now, as you can see, ChatGPT has gone ahead and generated a great script that I could use for my video. Once you have your script, it's time to move on to the next step, which is creating the characters for the video. To do that, we're going to be using Canva. Now, once on Canva, what you want to do is search for a YouTube video, and then hit enter. Click to start with a blank page. This part is super easy, but it's all fun too because you get to be a bit creative. Let's start by creating the background for the first scene. To create a beautiful background, you will need the Pro version because you will be able to use the text-to-image AI feature on Canva. But if you don't have the Pro version, keep watching. I will show you a workaround. Click on the Apps option here below and make a search for Magic Media. Click on it and paste in your background image prompt. You can again ask ChatGPT to suggest background prompts for each scene in the video script. Copy each of the prompts, paste them in here, select the style, and generate the image. Magic AI will now generate 4 different images that you can use in your video. Alternatively, if you don't have Canva Pro yet, you can use my favorite AI image generator, Leonardo AI. You can sign up with your email or Google account. Click on the text-to-image generator here. Now, I'm not going to get super detailed in here because this is very user-friendly and simple to understand. Again, paste in your background prompt and click Generate. Choose any of the images, upscale it to increase its quality, download, and head back to Canva. Select any of the generated backgrounds from the 4 images generated with Magic AI if you have the Pro version, or import the background we created with Leonardo AI. Right-click and select Set Image as Background. If you like, you can add a few other animated elements like birds, flying, or animated trees to give it that realistic feeling. Now let's create our opening scene. Click on Text and add the text box and add the title. Use a 2 text box if it's long for a more pleasing look. Change the color, choose a cute font because we are creating this for kids, adjust the font size and the placement, and add some text effects. Now let's animate our text and the background. Select the image, click Animate, and choose Photo Zoom. Do the same for the text. The opening scene is now ready. Next, add a new page, upload our background image. Now, let's see how to add our first character, Alfie, the adventurous letter A. Click Elements, search for Apple, since in the first scene of the story, Alfie introduces the ABC town by taking viewers to an apple orchard. Go through and select an apple that has hands and legs. You can also quickly build one of these easily by just using an apple, then search for cartoon hands and legs. Position them behind the apple. Then search for cartoon head and add it to the apple to generate a beautiful character for your story. Go through all the scenes, generate the different backgrounds and characters within the scene by just making a search for the elements, expanding the graphics option, and then you could scroll through all these options and choose whichever apple that you prefer, adjusting the size and positioning on the Canva. Once you have your characters done, it's time to download them. To do that, click on Share, then on Download, and then you want to save it as a PNG file. So now the next thing you need to do is bring your characters to life. It's time to animate the characters. For that, we're going to be using this tool called Animated Drawings. I'm going to leave a link for that in the description. Now, once you click on that link, it's going to take you to this page. Click on Get Started, and on this page, go to where it says Upload Photo. You want to upload the photo of the characters that you just downloaded from Canva. From here, you want to click Next, and then it's going to take you to this page. Here you need to resize the box to ensure it tightly fits your character and click Next. Here is where you can use the pen and eraser tools to fix any mistakes on your character, if any. Click on Next to continue. Here is where the tool outlines your character's joints. Adjust any joints that are out of place because in the next step, this tool will use the segmentation mask and these joints locations to animate your character with motion capture data. Hit the Next button, and here is where you can choose any of these motions to see your character perform the same motion on the right side here. So for example, I can go to the walking option here and select any of the walking motions, and my character will start walking instead of running through the screen as the case was. Now you can go back to your script and then figure out the different movements that you need your character to do. Find it and apply it in Download. To download the animation clip, all you need to do is simply increase the size like this. Click the three dots here, and then download. Go ahead and do this process for all of your characters. It's very simple to do, it doesn't take you long, and it's completely free. Now, once you have all your characters and their movements downloaded, it's time to move on to the next step, generating audio for your video. To do that, we're going to be using 11 Labs. Once on 11 Labs, you want to ensure that you are in the speech synthesis. Here is where you can select the voice you want by going through all the different voices, listen to them, and then just click on the one you want to use. You might want to adjust the voice settings, but it's usually not necessary. Next is copying the script of your animation and pasting it in the text box here and hit Generate. When it's done, come to this icon and click it to download the audio. Now the last step is putting everything together using Canva Editor or any other video editor like CapCut. Import the animated clips and audio, align the video clips with what is being said in the audio. Add some sound effects, transitions, and a background sound that matches the video. For the background sound of this children's educational video script, consider a cheerful and uplifting melody with light instrumentation. You want to create an atmosphere that is both engaging and conducive to learning. A gentle, playful tune can complement the content and maintain a positive vibe throughout the video. Additionally, incorporating subtle sound effects like chimes or gentle percussion can enhance the overall experience for young viewers. Aim for a soundtrack that blends seamlessly with the educational theme, keeping the mood lively and motivating. Now, check out a snippet of what we have quickly put together in this video.
Hello friends! Welcome to ABC Town, where every letter has its own special story. Today, we're embarking on a magical journey through the alphabet. Are you ready to join the fun?
Hey there, friends. I'm Alfie, the adventurous letter A. Today, I'm going to take you on an amazing adventure. We're starting our journey with the letter A, and what better place than the apple orchard? Here, we'll meet Apple Annie, the friendliest apple farmer in ABC Town.
Hello, young learners. Today, we're going to pick apples and learn about the sound A makes. Are you ready to say A apple with me?
Now that we've learned about A, let's move on to the next letter in our adventure. Hi friends, I'm Banana Buddy, and I've got the B for you. Welcome to the busy bakery where we'll discover the B sound with some delicious baking. Can you say bee bun with me? Great job!